Okay, this is our first test of the mini arc welder, and we're going to start with the carbon rod. So this is our first test. These are the carbon rods. So we're going to give the carbon rods a shot.
Is it front the creating arc?
Still having the same problem.
Come on. Well, it's snapping. Oh. I think I gotta hold them on for like a long time. Oh, it's stinging. Oh, you want me to use the fire extinguisher because it's
fine, but
you don't understand?
I don't know why we're not getting the right amount of juice. The transformers were canceling each other out, and we appear to have the correct voltage. So here we go. You guys ready?
Yeah. Are we getting it? Yeah. Brightness. Oh, Jonathan, look at the camera screen.
No.
It looks cool. Woo. Okay, you want to put
Red
some
hot.
water?
Hear that?
Woo! I'm red hot.
Now let's try to do the welding test. Oh, look at that.
Okay, now weld the other side.
Okay.
Grandpa, fire!
Oh,
Fire!
fire extinguisher. Oh my God.
Me! Oh crap! Run!
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh God! Oh no! Oh. Wait, I'm gonna go get the fire extinguisher.
No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
Did it fry?
Just the one transformer looks like it's bad. It might be the windings.
No,
I think we're going to need stranded
not.
wire.
Fill it.
No, because look at it's the wires down below melted. It got too hot. So I think we need to get stranded wire.
Oh.
Look at it's all melted over here.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's the plastic.